Hey everyone! But when you try to download it from the Play Store, it says it's not available in your region or not compatible with your device? Don't worry, there's a simple workaround. It's called sideloading an APK. Here's how it works. First, you need to find the APK file of the app you want to install. APKs are just Android app installation files. To stay safe, I recommend using trusted websites like APKmer, APKper, or APK. You can also try an APK downloader that pulls files directly from the Play Store. Just paste the Play Store link and it'll give you the APK file. Once you've downloaded the APK, you'll need to enable installation from unknown sources. When you try to install the APK for the first time, Android will block it and give you a warning. All you need to do is tap Settings. Then toggle on the option that allows installations from that source. After that, go back and tap Install. Again. The app will now install on your phone just like any normal app. Now, a quick but important note: always make sure the APK source is trusted. Sideloaded apps can carry security risks, so don't install just anything from random websites. And that's it. Be sure to hit like and subscribe for more Android tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.